Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the right provider is in place and a safe connection string is available. First, add the NuGet package and include the using statements at the top of your file. Then, place your connections string in app settings, JSON, or an environment variable so you can change it without recompiling. Once done, retrieve that value in your configuration code. Make sure to prefer parameterized queries from the start to prevent SQL injection and to set appropriate connection timeouts. You now construct the objects that perform work: a SQL connection, a SQL command, and parameters. Open the connection inside a using block so it closes automatically. This prevents leaks. Next, assign your SQL or stored procedure name to command text and set command type. Add typed SQL parameter instances to avoid conversion errors. Finally, choose Execute Reader for result sets, Execute Non-Query for inserts/updates, or Execute Scalar for single values. Once executed, read fields with typed getter. You finish by ensuring proper cleanup and robust error handling. Always close connections in a finally block or better, with using so resources are released even on exceptions. Catch SQL exception to log error codes and messages, but never log full connection strings or credentials. If you encounter transient failures, implement retry with exponential backoff. For validation, run queries against known test data and step through with a debugger. If things go wrong, check the connection string and firewall access first. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.